في هذه اللعبة تنتظرك أكثر من 50 مهمة على 5 مستويات مختلفة في محاولة لإنقاذ العالم من غزاة فضائيين، ويجب عليك القتال ضد مخلوقات العدو العملاقة وأسلحة الغزاة الضخمة في ال5 مستويات مختلفة. يمكنك وضع اللعبة كمتصل أو غير متصل. عند وضع اللعبة كمتصل يمكنك التعاون مع أعضاء EDF الآخرين حول العالم، وعند وضع اللعبة غير متصل سيتم دعم تقسيم الشاشة. اللعبة مليئة بالمعارك الشرسة ومخلوقات العدو العملاقة والأسلحة المدمرة.
Roger that. Boy, look at its size.
Is that the aggressor's mothership?
Who knows? Connect energy core to PA gear, stat!
What? Emergency communication from HQ. EDF satellite laser fires in 5 seconds.
Come on, we got this! What?
The aggressors are firing at us. Hold on!
Whoa! We can't keep her up! We're going down! Yes, leader, sir.
Is anyone alive?
Flare team, the Type S PA gear unit. No survivors.
This can't be. We lost every single one of the new cores.
Take this!
Booting Type S energy core. Registering PA gear user DNA code. Complete. Updating PA gear. Installing overdrive system.
Commander, there's one Type S that is working.
A survivor from the flare team?
No, the registration is changed to that of a normal Quake soldier.
Quick! What is happening? No matter. Right now we need to destroy the high craft. Hey you! Where's that Type S? Do you copy? Look! The main cannon misfired and it's falling apart!
High energy signatures detected inside. It must be the Hivecraft's energy source.
You are the only one here who can...
Giant creature approaching.
Explosion inside the Hivecraft.
Did we do it? Look! It's falling apart!
Communication lost. The soldier did not make it out of the destruction.
No, it can't be.
So you're that new legend everyone's talking about. Come to me if you need some weapons. Name's Sam. Bring me energy gems and cash, and I'll make anything you need. I got a feeling I'll be seeing you a lot. Glad to meet you.
This is Gale 3. We've reached the mission area. Roger. Last team, boot up your PA gear and begin descent.
Roger. Cut the radio. Last team, begin descent. Let's go. It's time to do business.
This mission's objective is to destroy the giant creature's nest.
Roger. Everyone, disperse and search. These boys making mess again? I'll burn them all to the ground.
Mike, don't go out alone.
But you got my back anyway, don't you, brother, baby?
I'll make your back into a beehive.
Ooh, I am so scared.
Mike,